First vlog with the Aprilia Tuono V4 1100RR, or some combination of those names. I'm on my way home from work. It's morning, and I decide to take the panoramic route through the mountains. Since in theory this should be pretty awesome, I figure I'll turn on the GoPros and tape it. Now, first of all, can we all agree that this is an awesome bike? I mean, don't you all agree that this is an awesome bike? If you don't think so, please leave a comment, because I really need to understand. So we are in the Silverwood area, just out of Esperia, north of San Bernardino. This should be pretty fun. I believe I only done this street once more, but last time I did it, the asphalt was really good, and the road was very wavy. Should be fun. Hopefully there won't be much traffic going, and if that's the case, we're gonna get some good footage. So far so good. I've only done a few miles, and my visor is already heated with insects. Now let's hope I remember which road to take to make it across. As always, I have no GPS. My phone is in my pocket, and I'm trying to go off of memory. Finger crossed. There you go. That was nice. Oh yeah. Sand. Not good. I wish you guys could hear this engine. All stock pipe, stock everything. Ooh, sand. So, for those that have a Tuono as well, I have a question. Does people go stupid when they see you? Meaning, I never had so many freaking Harley guys try to race me. The bike doesn't look slow. I mean, the Tuono looks like a proper fast bike. Guys, usually it's guys on a B-rod that try to race. One episode in particular comes to mind. I have a friend that has a black B-rod, black leather jacket, and a matte black helmet. When I saw this guy on a 3-lane street passing me in the same lane when the other two were empty, very close, I thought there was this friend of mine screwing around, you know? So I started going at it. I speed up a little bit and obviously passed him, and the guy tried to keep up. And it's like, as good as a driver you are, just because of the bike I'm riding, you're not going to keep up with me, even if I suck. It's 170 horses. Wait, do I need to go that way? Yep. 170 horses on a bike that is super light compared to, what does a V-Rod have? I don't know, 90, 100 on a 500 plus pound bike, how you think you're gonna keep up? I know that if you don't know any better and the bike is torquey, you might think that the bike is actually pretty fast, but in reality it's not. And you'll find out right off the bat as soon as you hop on a crotch rocket on one of those bikes. Then you realize how slow your bike really is. Let me know if you have a story similar to this, because it can be an isolated incident and only I get all those guys. Whoa. My rear tire just slid. Felt ABS kicking in. Man, I love the torque on this bike. I keep the wrong gear on, like second gear, and just open the gas and somehow it goes. I guess we're going towards Crestline. I guess this way. So this was a quick video, or vlog I should say, with my Aprilia Tuono 1100 V4 RR and blah 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 blah. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you like the video, like. If you love the video, subscribe for more Aprilia. Till then, right on, and I'll see you next time. That is nice. Let's get rid of